Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to Brett update today. Yesterday I talked about Brett and I told you that this was a descending triangle, and I told you that I'm very negative regarding Brett, and Brett eventually just came all the way down. It never really retested. We were trading right over here when I made the update, and normally what they do is go back for the retest, get rejection, and then try to go down. Now I'm pretty sure nobody got the opportunity to have an entry, or if you did get an entry, amazing, that is really good. But unfortunately most of the people did not have the opportunity to take an entry and trade this coin all the way to the downside. But here it is. Okay, the technical target that I've given you is nearly we can just say it's actually met. So 0.056 was the main target. Now from the all-time high we are sitting down for a discount of nearly 67 or 70%. Drop has already happened, so I do expect in the future a dirty retest. Okay, this is going to be a lesson of dirty retest. I have talked about dirty retest so many times, and if you're new to this channel, you're about to learn something new. A lot of people who follow me, other 25,000 members who are subscribed here, they know what dirty retest probably is. And even if they don't know, even if you do not know, well, here you are. So dirty retest, from the name itself, we have the name dirty. Okay, it's something that is dirty, it's bad, it's unclean, it's impure. A clean retest could have happened yesterday when we saw Brett breaking down here, and we could have seen a retest back, rejection, failure, and then go down and actually make the drop like this, right? So that is a clean retest. Now the fact that you broke and you went down without any retest opens up the door for a dirty retest. That means that the line that you broke, or the support that you broke that has not been back tested, is going to be back tested from here. That's pretty much how I view the future. So even it's safe to say that at some point you might see the coin pumping back up to 0.1, and that's going to be a price appreciation from Brett, and this is going to be nearly 61% somewhere down the road, be it today, but I do see this thing having that dirty retest eventually in the future. And that's all for the video. Check the comment section for invitation link on Discord, where you can get all the news and a lot of updates that I do when I'm off YouTube as well. And I'm going to see you the next one. Love.